Over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to post 6 short sports star assemblies for you guys to watch at home, and we'll also be watching that at school. In those assemblies, there will be 6 of my favourite sports stars, and they will be talking about their life in sport, what they have done, and we're going to use that as a bit of inspiration for you guys when you either return back to school or when you're at home, to motivate you to do some more home learning. There'll be short clips of them showing what they did when they were doing their sport, and then talking about some of the stuff that makes them become a fantastic sports person. This hopefully will inspire you and maybe make you work harder and get some dreams about maybe what you want to do as you get older. One of my favourite sports for this time of the year is cricket. I absolutely love cricket. I go and watch as much live cricket as possible. I've watched England play a number of times, and often I go and watch some of the county sides. A number of years ago I was watching Yorkshire play, and I really liked this player. He's a fantastic bowler. The first thing I thought was quite funny is his name is Sidebottom. But once you get over that that's quite a funny name, he's got fantastic hair, so he had this big shaggy hair. Then you see him bowl, and he runs in incredibly fast and bowls the ball at about 80, 85, 90 miles an hour and takes loads and loads of wickets. He's played for England in the England Test team. He also played in the One Day team and in the 2020 team as a fast bowler. Here's his story.
Outside edge, gone. 7 for Sidebottom. Cook, no mistake at second slip. Beautiful piece of bowling once again. Ryan Sidebottom rises to the occasion, transforms the game, changes the game, and now it's down to England's batsmen once again. New Zealand trail by 85.
Well, those figures are the best by an England seamer. That was the 7th, caught by Alistair Cook in the history of the game. 7 of 47 against New Zealand. The best by a seamer.
Hi to everyone at Albert Pye Primary School. My name's Ryan Sidebottom. I'm an ex-Yorkshire and England and Nottinghamshire cricketer. I just want to give you a message of positivity, just to show what you can achieve with hard work and dedication. As a 17-year-old, I grew up wanting to play professional cricket, and my dream was representing England and hopefully winning something along the way. So here's my World Cup winners medal, which I won with England in 2010, a T20 World Cup. So this is the actual medal, and I just want to say that how I got there is about hard work, dedication, practicing, and also not getting upset when things don't go your way, because you know, to get where you are is about working hard and having that never give up attitude. So I just want to wish you all the very best. Take care and look after one another, and the most important thing is the team spirit and togetherness. Look after each other and work hard. All the very best.
Something Ryan talks about in his clip to us is about hard work and the importance of working really, really hard in whatever you do. It could be sport, PE, it could just be in your schoolwork, it could be in anything that you choose to do. Really important, whatever you choose to do, that you practice and you keep practicing and you practice some more. It's really important that you go to training, and when you go there, whatever you're doing, you listen to your coach or your teacher because you want to improve, but you must show them that you're willing to work hard. It's really important when we're actually doing something that often, when we're learning something new, it's incredibly hard to do. But what we want to do is give up when it gets tough. We need to keep persevering and working on that. Ryan was brilliant in what he did because he understood his role in the team. He was the fast bowler. It was really important that he ran in fast and hard and bowled really fast to try and get the wickets. And he did that because he wanted to get wickets, but he also didn't want to let his teammates down. He wanted to make sure they were seeing him working really hard, thinking, so am I going to do that? And something really important that Ryan would always talk about is how important it is that every day we should be doing our best.